now. It's pretty fun. And hopefully, what's this? Oh my god, a person! I'm coming to join you. What are you doing?
Ooh, this is a... I landed on my feet! The cave crashed.
Why are they still all the way out here? Screw you. Did you hit my top dead? I'm alive. Oh, I don't know. It looks so cool. I'm glad this was only a quarter. No,
She didn't move.
Everybody's fine. Everybody's fine. Every single person. She went back to breathe. This doesn't concern you, other. Look at that.
No, we turned to a train.
Oh.
I missed it. I missed it.
This guy. That guy. These people. Oh my god. This paramedic has no idea what he's doing. What?
I think I'm dead. You killed me.
What is it? This is so stupid. I'm gonna hit my head on. If that was real. What the heck?
I'm gonna wait. Again.
What was he accomplishing by doing that?
Sick bird. Don't get hit by these cars, oh my god. You did, didn't you?
I hit my face on the lamppost.
This.
Not nice, because now they.
Where is he? Oh.
How did this?
Oh, I don't have a parachute.
Having a cigarette? Yeah, sometimes I like to smoke down here. Fucking god. That's what I was looking for. This bike is fast. Holy shit. Okay. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is going on? What's happening? Whoa! Oh, is this up? I only have 25 minutes. Hey! You're like punching a fucking rock, like Rocky Balboa.
Oh!
This is.
Accepted, Sargento.
Your AR lens will show you where to look.
That's not how these work. Why is there so many?
I don't know, but I'm just piping them all.
You want good food?
You don't think I'm far? What do you think I'm stupid? I didn't think I was gonna instantly kill him.
Wants to. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Oh my God.
Out of the way. Good cop. I'm trying to be a good police officer, for crying out loud.
What?
Wait.
Destroy the laboratory.
Oh! Ow. What just happened? Dude, I like broke my neck. Speaking of big surprise.